In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get Temu free gifts without inviting friends. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for sections like free gift, daily rewards, or promotional banners because Temu often runs special offers that don't require referrals. One of the easiest ways is by claiming new user rewards, where Temu gives you free items or coupon bundles just for signing up or placing your first order. Next, you can use daily check ins and in app activities to earn credits, discounts, or rewards over time. Simply log in every day, browse items, and complete small tasks to build up your balance. Another method is playing in app games like Fishland or Farmland, where you can collect points or rewards that can eventually unlock free items, although this may take some time and consistency. You can also take advantage of coupon codes, flash sales, and cashback style offers, which can reduce item prices to nearly zero. In some cases, combining coupons and credits can make products completely free or very close to it. Keep in mind, while you can get free gifts without inviting friends, it usually requires patience, consistency, or small actions inside the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you can start getting free or heavily discounted items on Temu without needing to send invites. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.